this is me, Yusuf, and this is my project, Time to Wake Up. And basically, I'm going to explain you what's happening. This device blows air through this pipe, which there's basically a ball right in here, which will do a forward motion to the tape, then to the train. So this track is going to be held by these cans, causing friction, and then the train will hit these dominoes, moving in a direction, which will hit the ball down the ramp onto the cup, which will make the marbles fall in the tray. Here we go. The device is about to turn on.